Hey guys, this is Connor from Uniform. Just a quick video to show you guys how to fly this Mark300 drone. I'll just quickly demo it in my backyard. So first of all, I need to unfold the propeller. And then unfold the stand. And hold this, it will open, it will start, yeah. And then the drone itself will start a Wi-Fi signal, and you should be able to find it in your, one second, I just change the light. Okay, you should be able to find it in the Wi-Fi. It looks like something like Wi-Fi 4K 5G this, and after you connect it, yeah, I'm connecting now. And so you go to the app. You want to download it from Google Android store. Is H5 Plus. You need to go to that app. But before do that, you see this pop up. Confirm connection. Yes, you want to keep the connection even though it doesn't have internet. Yeah, it's just a channel to communicate with the drone. So you click keep and open the app. And before you start flying, you need to do some collaborations. So click collaborate, and you go next step and click collaborate. So it will ask you to rotate the drone horizontally. Let's do this 3 times. Here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's done. So now it asks you to rotate it vertically. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it's automatically switched to the camera, and you should be able to fly. So before you fly it, before you start, you need to push forward, push backward, and you stay there. The signal bar should have several bars. It means it's connected. The controller is connected with this drone, and you do this. See, the drone is start working, and then you push this button. I'm still not